Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1468th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And traders, stay with me. Do not avoid these omnis tonight. I have been hunting down what the trade that I expect to start working for the last 13 to 14 weeks. I've explained it to you. I've pointed it out to you. I was the first one to see it coming. Yes, when Omni points up, I have no choice but to give you the buy signal like we did yesterday. But today, Omni is pointing exactly in the direction that we'd be expecting due to the formations I've been showing you. And we expect this market to start its descend. Do not avoid tonight's Omni, tomorrow's Omni. This video is being filmed on Wednesday night for trading Thursday, 05/12/2016. Remember, futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial losses, not suitable for all traders, but I'll tell you right now, you should take these trades that I've got set up. Of course, we will put stops in because nothing is guaranteed, but you know me, we've got a couple of rough days every now and then, and Omni gets right in tune with the next move coming, and the next move coming is the downside in the emini S&P and the upside in gold. Dead red Omni in your Dow Jones Transportation Average. Same chart I showed you last night. We were above the 200 ball moving average. Let me blow it up. Now we are below the 200 ball moving average. Believe me, the fund managers have seen the failure, and the Omni has turned bearish, and the Omni's been looking for this trade for weeks and weeks now, and I think it's finally beginning to set up. Traders, once again, this has been used as chart masterpiece, both up and down for weeks on end. This is our chart masterpiece tonight. Fund managers will notice, I assure you, the Omni is bearish on top of that, and the formation itself is not very conducive to bullish traders, much more conducive to bearish ones. This is video 1468, and make sure you're paying attention. If you would like to learn my brand of Omni analysis, there are 2 open seats at Omni Camp. Please come on down to livewithoscar.com, fill out your Omni Camp applications, and I will qualify 2 more traders to come to Omni Camp for June 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. That's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. All right, traders, let's go look at the E-mini S&P, because that's another one that definitely is going to be looking for the downside today. Here's your E-mini S&P. E-mini S&P failed. It got above. Remember, I showed this to you yesterday. So what did not exist was this. This is Wednesday's trading right here. So this bar didn't exist. This is tonight's trading. This bar certainly didn't exist. So what I did show you last night was this bar. And I said, okay, we're above the flag. The Omni's bullish. You got to look at it. But then we add the market that moved on Wednesday in the beginning of Wednesday night into Thursday, and we are back inside of this channel, and I think we go to the bottom of it very quickly. Be careful. If you are long in the indices, I would not be long. As you know, I've been hunting this bear down for weeks on end. I've been keeping everybody in tune with it. And of course, I will never go against my Omni. If it turns bullish every now and then, we'll take it. But this bear has been being hunted by Omni. The hunt is on, and I am not going to let up. Then you've got something like, let's see if the NASDAQ fits in our mold here tonight. Look at the NASDAQ, traders. It failed miserably at the 200 ball moving average. Miserably. Look at this. That is a complete failure at the 200 ball moving average right now. And you know, you can kind of make this into a flag, don't you think? Some sort of a weird flag right here. I'd say that's the downside coming, and this part of this thing right here is its pole. So, you know, some of it you can count. You don't have to count it all. You can draw this any way you want. The idea is that we're back below the 200 ball moving average, and the market does not look good here, in my opinion, especially with a bearish Omni. And then there is this, my favorite market. Traders, we are already long this bad boy. We've already bought this for trading on Thursday. That is the gold. Gold looks like it is going to go through the roof. Look at this bull flag. Remember, I've been telling you this for so many weeks that I don't even know what to tell you if you don't believe me. But gold does not do this for no reason. I repeat, gold does not do this for no reason. This run that it's had for the last few months, and we've telegraphed every bit of it for you, and we've had some fantastic gold trades. They haven't all been perfect, but I'm telling you right now, gold will not act like this for no reason at all. You've got your cup. You know, you've all seen the cup. You've all seen the handle. You've all seen me call it long before anybody else knew it was coming. The market exploded. I am telling you right now, gold does not act like this for no reason. You've heard this for 12 weeks, and the reason is starting to show itself. Bull flag in gold, expecting higher. 2 seats open left at OmniCamp. Let me teach you how to get these markets, how to analyze these markets, get these markets in check, and figure out how to come up with a trading plan. Because let me tell you something right now, I don't care how good you are at technical analysis, if you do not know how to derive a trading plan and stick to that plan, you will become useless in this arena. Allow me to teach you how to derive a trading plan and stick to it at OmniCamp this June 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Only a few weeks left, traders, and I have 2 seats open. You should fill out an OmniCamp application by clicking this link and joining me at livewithoscar.com. Fill out the app. I'll call you back and qualify you. Time's starting to tick. If you'd like to come out, now's your chance. All right, traders, that's all I wanted to show you. Make sure that you are looking to buy dips in gold, selling rallies and indices, and remember this. Keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Do not avoid these Omni recommendations this evening. Take them. They look really, really good technically as far as I'm concerned. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.